Hello guys, ang gana ko air fry salmon, ang gana fried eggplant. Benefits of eating salmon is high in omega-3 fatty acid and iodine, and the eggplant is good for the digestion, good for the type 2 diabetes, to prevent type 2 diabetes, high in nutrients, minerals, fiber, low calories, and good for the heart health also. The eggplant, put egg and corn flour so that the not very oily. The eggplant will not so oily when I cook it. It's like omelette eggplant. While I'm cooking, I need to side up the wash the plates. Church. The salmon, I just want to put a black pepper, pink salt, which is pink salt, olive oil. We don't want the here. We don't want, that. We don't want rosemary here, but maybe I'll put only very little. See this is my pink salt, olive oil, and a little black pepper. This black pepper, this black pepper. Ito na tayo sinususunod. Oh, so much pepper. Transfer this pepper into the jar. Just put it in the air fryer. Salmon is enough.